So, let me comment my ex posts. So, I responded to two things. So, I responded to Vittorio, and I responded to apparently Kamala Harris, so Polymarket, which is usually a good source, said Kamala Harris officially endorses Abdul El Sayed. Okay, so I'm going to kind of make comments about this because I think this is really important. So Vittorio says women should not even worry about politics. Can you believe that? Okay. Healthy women in a good relationship and with good fathers never think about politics. It just doesn't affect them. They think about cooking, kids, going on a walk, gossiping or something. If they think or obsess about politics, is because there's something wrong with them. Don't forget that women's involvement in politics is the only thing that correlates 0.9 with fertility decline. Okay, so obviously it's not that at all. You're going to understand the real problem. Both symptoms of a sick culture. So no. So obviously, if women want to be involved in politics, guys, humans are humans. Okay? So if women want to be involved in politics, they should be involved in politics. What the fuck? Honestly, what the fuck is Vittorio talking about? Okay? Then he says that women involvement in politics is the only thing that correlates 0.9 with fertility. So obviously so it's a correlation, okay? But obviously there are a bit of a causation, because if you think about a politic, you think less about like your child and your family. It's logic. But what I mean is that it makes it like this is the main factor, and it's not the main factor at all. You get it? You can think about politics and have a lot of children. Honestly, it's basically, maybe it's correlated today, but it's not even like, it's not because you think about politics that you cannot have children. You see, it's totally independent things. Okay, so basically, Vittorio is a motherfucker. Okay, it's a guy that want to dominate women, and that don't want women to have their own capacity, their own independence, okay, and their own thinking. Alright? So this guy, so sometimes he makes interesting things, because I follow independent people, okay? So sometimes Vittorio says interesting things sometimes, but this is like a really bad post, okay? Because he wanna dominate women, he wanna not let them think about the future of, so if, I don't know if Vittorio is American, I guess so. So if he's American, he wanna women not think about the future of their country. Can you fucking imagine the motherfucker? Okay? So so basically, how can women be involved in politics and be fertile? It's really, really possible. Honestly, you have a child, you can do a lot of things. Okay, so through innovation, basically, you could do more things while having child. And basically, what could be done is, for example, artificial wombs. You get it? So maybe artificial wombs could help women a lot. And not only artificial wombs. Basically, even by having a child in your belly, you can do a lot of things. You can think about a lot of things. You can, why not do politics with a child in your belly? Honestly, you could make a political video with a child in your belly. You see, what's the problem? You get it? So now you're going to say to me, Gauthier, at first you did not want to talk about politics. So obviously I want to create a system where we can live happily saying whatever we want. The problem is that by expressing something, we get a lot of pushback, and sometimes we cannot get job, we cannot do things how we want. You get it? And this is what happened to women a lot. Okay? So Victorio, for this, so obviously I'm still going to follow you because I never block people. And I always watch what people are saying. But Victorio, this is a really bad post, and fuck you, okay? So about Kamala Harris officially endorses Abdul El Sayed for US Senate. So I said basically I'm a secular guy. Okay? For you to understand. So religion is a big part of the US, but secular people could also work great. So I'm just saying, guys, secular people are people that think and that respect religion. Okay? If religious people do not harass them. Okay? And I don't know about this guy in particular, so I don't know him, Abdullah El Sayed, I don't know who this is, okay? But Muslim guys are often, for me, what I saw, okay? They're often manipulating women. Basically, they want to cover women. They want to make women at home. You get it? Often. So obviously there are Christian guys that want that also, but Muslim guys more. Okay? So they often want their women at home, you see, covered and things like that. Okay, so maybe Abdul El Sayed is not like that. I don't know. But I think he's kind of like that. Because Muslim people are very Muslim. Okay? Like very Arabic. Okay? So, and I said more traditional out of truth thinking than regular secular guys. It's because basically Muslim guys are a lot in religion, and so their thinking is kind of unrelated to the truth, like following improvement. Okay? They're following religion, which is not the same at all. Okay? So you get it? So that's why I said that. Okay? And for me, the Christian community, hopefully, so in at least in a lot of regions, is more aligned with truth and following, giving capacity to people than the Arab community. I'm saying that with truth. Okay, I think that's what I was able to derive from what I saw. Okay, so I'm going to clip that.